You'll hear lots of horror stories about AI, about how it makes mistakes and it can't do this and it can't do that, it hallucinates, it says such and such is a Nazi, da 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 da. But AI is a very useful tool. Just to put this into context, when Unix, the first operating system, came about, you could just type God in as a command, and Unix would tell you God does not exist, because there wasn't a file or a program called God for it to open. And that's people manipulating Unix to make fun of it. And people do this with AI all the time. We also have massive IT infrastructure projects that run to 2 to 3 times the budget and fail to deliver everything. There's so many famous cases. I worked at the RAC, we changed all our infrastructure, should have cost 20 million quid. The budget finally topped £60 million and they still haven't delivered everything it was supposed to do. And similarly with Lloyds TSB, when they merged, none of the benefits of IT were materialised. It cost more to integrate their technologies than it did for the commercial benefits they thought they were going to get. These sorts of things go on and on and on. The National Programme for IT and the NHS massively overspent. So it shouldn't surprise you when people are reporting that investment in AI isn't paying off, it's not delivering, it's costing a fortune. But in the same way IT and the internet can cost a fortune to deliver things, lots of useful things are being developed with it. And this is working for lots of people. And this is very often overlooked. You know, IT projects have transformed our lives. The internet has transformed our lives, often for the better. There's lots of debate about smartphones and screen time, da 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 da. But on the whole, you look at the world we live in today, it's unrecognisable from the 1970s, the 1980s, and the 1990s. It really is. And AI is going to do the same thing. And the way you use AI properly is to don't run before you can walk. Work out the basics, work how to prompt, learn my rapid, accurate prompting technique, and then start thinking about how this can be used to improve what you do in your daily life at work. You need to be empowered. You need to understand how something as simple as ChatGPT really works. It's got other bits in it, like system prompts, that you can use in the basic environment. You can use them in projects, use them in custom GPTs. And once you understand the difference between a system prompt and a user prompt, you can go to another level with it, and you can start creating things and doing things you could never imagine. It's very, very powerful tool. And on the back of that, you've got automations where you get an input going in. It could be a message you've received on Facebook Messenger, a Twitter post that someone's direct messaged you with. It could be an email, it could be a text message you've received, it could be a message from your chatbot, an email inquiry form. All these are triggers that kick off a piece of work that you might have to do. And very often, you're just copying and pasting stuff and pressing a few buttons on an application, maybe writing something or passing it on to someone else. Well, AI can do that. Imagine if all your emails were dealt with every morning when you came into work. Just think about it. You can actually write an AI tool that will read all your emails you've had since you last logged on to your email, provide a summary, prioritise them for you, and if you've got duplicate content coming in, actually highlight that for you so you don't respond to a message without receiving another one. AI can summarise all that for you in a simple email, and then you know which order you've got to go through it all. Now that's going to save you time. AI can do so much, but you need to learn the basics, learn how it works, and then you can apply it. Just getting some consultants in to apply AI to your business is going to be a complete route to disaster. Only you know how your business works, only you know how the role you do in your business works. And it's up to you to learn the basics, learn how to prompt, learn my rapid, accurate prompting technique, and then you can take a simple idea to its conclusion in a matter of minutes, and your productivity is going to skyrocket. The thing is, some people are doing this already and some people aren't, and the question is, do you want to be in the group that are doing it and and are looking brilliant and streaking ahead of their competition? Or do you want to be the person that says, oh, I don't know anything about AI, it scares me, I don't know this, I don't know that? You've got to jump in at some point. You've got to go and get wet. Get your feet wet and go and do something about it.